Welcome guys to Carblessly Delicious Low Carb Recipes. And yes, my friends, delicious crispy fried chicken doesn't have to be off limits when you're counting your carbs and watching your cholesterol. So keep on watching. I'll meet you in the kitchen. Okay guys, we have these large chicken legs here, also known as drumsticks, however you refer to call them. We're going to fry these babies up. I just removed them from the refrigerator. I had them marinating overnight. Same marinade we used in a previous video with our chicken strips. Remember, we substituted the buttermilk with half a cup of heavy whipping cream in order to keep our carbs at a minimum low, combined with 2 large eggs, which actually gives the same effect as the buttermilk. Also a squeeze of yellow mustard, about 2 tablespoons should do. And then we added a tasty blend of smoked paprika, lemon pepper, and sweet and smoky seasoning, 1 tablespoon of each, and only 1 teaspoon of the Creole Seasoning. But if you like it spicy and you can handle the heat, go ahead and add more Creole Seasoning if you like. That's where you'll get the heat from, my friends. And this is what our chicken is looking like now. It has absorbed much of the marinade, and now we're ready to coat these babies and fry them up. To substitute the all-purpose bleach flour, we're turning to our Whey Protein Powder. We'll need about 1 cup of protein powder, combined with a half a cup of almond flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're going to bring in more flavor with a blend of paprika, black pepper, lemon pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of each. For our oil, guys, as always, we refrain from the saturated vegetable oils, sunflower oils, and the such. And we're turning to our healthier, unsaturated options, which I tend to lean towards the avocado oil because of its high smoke point of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which doesn't burn as quickly as the olive oil. So let's go ahead and get these babies into the hot grease, and it's a wrap.